In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Aliexpress emails. If your inbox is getting crowded with store promotions and marketing messages, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to turn them off inside your Aliexpress account while keeping important order updates intact. Start by signing in to your Aliexpress account on a web browser. Make sure you're logged into the correct profile you actually use for purchases, since email preferences are tied to each account. Once you're signed in, look toward the upper right corner of the page and hover your mouse over the account area. A small menu will appear. From that menu, click Settings to open your account settings page. Inside Settings, look for the section dedicated to notifications. Depending on the current layout, it may be labeled Notification Settings, Notifications, or Email Preferences. Open that section to manage what AliExpress sends you. On the Notifications page, you'll see a list of email types. To cut down on non-essential messages, uncheck the options for promotional emails and marketing content. Promotional emails typically include sales announcements, coupons, and limited time deals. Marketing content often includes newsletters, product recommendations, and brand campaigns. Clearing these boxes tells AliExpress you don't want to receive those categories any longer. After you adjust those preferences, make sure to save your changes. Look for a Save or Save Changes button at the bottom or top of the page and click it. You may see a brief confirmation that your preferences were updated. If you don't, try refreshing the page to double check that your selections stayed in place. A quick note on expectations. Turning off promotional and marketing messages will reduce most optional emails, but you may still receive essential communications, such as order confirmations, shipping updates, password resets, and security alerts. These are transactional emails that keep your account and purchases running smoothly, and they typically cannot be disabled. If the menus look slightly different on your screen, don't worry. Websites occasionally update their layouts. Use the search bar within Settings, if available, and look for terms like notifications, communications, or email. Also, it can take a few days for all mailing lists to process your new preferences, so give it a little time before you judge the results. And that's it. You've updated your AliExpress email settings to stop promotional and marketing emails and keep your inbox focused on what matters. If you manage more than one AliExpress login, repeat these changes for each account to keep all inboxes clean. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.